Hey there, did you know that simple changes can enhance your home's value by thousands? It's true, just a few tweaks here and there can really make a difference. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY home decor. It's becoming super popular, and for a good reason. Not only can you personalize your space, but you can also do it without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking for easy and affordable ways to give your home a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Presentation of problem, challenge. Now, let's be real for a second. Many of us feel overwhelmed when it comes to home decor, right? You walk into a store, and your eyes glaze over at the price tags. It seems like everything is so expensive, and honestly, who has the budget for that? Plus, it can be tough to find something that truly reflects your personality and style. You want your space to feel like you, but the thought of spending a fortune on decor can be a bit daunting. Well, today, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Exploration, development. Alright, let's get into some fun DIY decor ideas that are super easy and won't cost you an arm and a leg. First up, we have a DIY gallery wall. All you need are some frames, which you can find at thrift stores or even make yourself, and your favorite prints or family photos. Just arrange them on your wall in a way that feels good to you, and you've got yourself a stunning focal point. Next is a mason jar centerpiece. Grab some mason jars, a bit of paint, and some flowers from your garden or the local market. Paint the jars in colors that match your home, fill them with flowers, and place them on your dining table or coffee table. It adds a lovely touch of nature to your space. How about a DIY painted doormat? You can buy a plain core doormat from any home goods store. Use acrylic paint to create a fun design or welcoming message. It's an easy way to greet your guests with style. Oh, and don't forget about upcycled furniture. If you have an old chair or table lying around, give it a fresh coat of paint or some new upholstery. It's amazing what a little paint can do to breathe new life into something worn out. Lastly, let's talk about a simple plant corner. Plants can really liven up a room, so why not create a little corner dedicated to them? Use different pots and heights to create visual interest. It's a great way to introduce some greenery into your home. Climax. Now, if I had to highlight one project that really stands out, it would be the *D gallery wall. This project can transform any room instantly. Just take a look at these before and after shots. You can see how a blank wall can become a vibrant showcase of memories and art. It's like telling a story with your decor, and trust me, your guests will love it. Conclusion. So, there you have it. We've talked about some really simple DIY ideas that can totally transform your home. Remember, it's all about making small changes that can lead to a big difference. Personalizing your space can bring you so much satisfaction, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. If you want to buy a customized wall picture frame, link in description, check now. Now, I want to hear from you. What was your favorite DIY decor idea from today's video? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're looking for more home improvement tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.